Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on mention in bio notifications on Instagram with the latest update. If you want to stay on top of who's mentioning you in their bios, this quick guide will make sure you never miss a notification again. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your app permissions and notifications are managed. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram. This will open the app-specific settings. Now, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how and when Instagram can send you alerts. Within Notifications, you'll see different categories of notifications that Instagram can send. Tap on Notification Categories to see the full list. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option labeled Mention in Bio. This feature lets you get notified whenever someone mentions your username in their Instagram bio. Simply toggle this option on to activate notifications for mentions in bios. And that's it. Once you've toggled Mention in Bio on, you'll start receiving alerts whenever someone adds your handle to their bio. This is a great way to keep track of shoutouts, collaborations, or just see who's giving you a little extra love on Instagram. Remember, if you ever want to turn these notifications off or adjust other Instagram alerts, just follow the same steps and toggle the options accordingly. Keeping your notification settings customized helps you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for watching.